In today's video, I'll be utilizing AI to script, voiceover, and edit the video. I'll be making a faceless YouTube video and using ChatGPT and other AI. If you want to make a passive income every day, keep watching. Today, I will be showing you guys how to make $800 per day on Autopilot with AI videos on YouTube. The world of technology is constantly evolving, and with the rise of artificial intelligence, you can now leverage AI to create engaging and high-quality videos for your channel. In this video, I will walk you through the process of creating AI videos and how to automate the process for maximum efficiency and profits. Let's get started. If you're interested in unlocking the full potential of YouTube automation, be sure to check out the link in description. The guide covers everything you need to know about automating your YouTube channel for maximum efficiency and earnings. So don't wait, click the link in the description to access the training today. So before creating the video, we need to have a successful video framework. The viral video will be based on 4 pillars: video idea, scripting, voiceover, and editing. So before making the video, we need to decide on the topic first. For that, I use vidIQ, the link in the description down below. So head over to the vidIQ word research section and search for the niche that you want to make the video in. So I will be going for the travel niche. For the sake of this video, I will just search safest places to travel as a solo traveler. This is a good keyword in my opinion, with low competition and 2,100 monthly searches and an overall score of 55. But you want to aim for video ideas above a 65 overall score. For the sake of this video, I will just use this video idea as an example. Now for the script part, we will be using ChatGPT. If you've never used ChatGPT before, it's very simple to use. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write you a script for the YouTube idea that you have in mind. For this example, I asked ChatGPT to write us a full 5-minute YouTube script for a video about the safest places to travel alone. As you can see, ChatGPT is writing out the full script for us. How long it takes to write a script for us? ChatGPT has already prepared the complete connected YouTube script. The opening line of the script reads, "Welcome to our video on the safest places to travel alone." Whether you've traveled alone before or this will be your first solo trip, the thought of it can be intimidating. That's why we chose Iceland. Another excellent option for lone travelers in Japan. Another fantastic choice for solo travelers in Canada. So if you wanted to enlarge any of these specific portions, you could do so by copying and pasting the section in question and asking ChatGPT to do so. As you can see, ChatGPT will accomplish this for you. Thus, for this example, we can copy this paragraph head back over to our script here and then talk about Iceland. We can paste this in here so. Again, it's very easy for you to get a very long and in-depth script using Chat, and again, you can do that for any section. You can use ChatGPT to expand your content as much as you like, and then remove any content which you don't want to include within that video. Consequently, if you want to expand the section that discusses Japan, paste that in here. However, as you can see, ChatGPT will expand that paragraph for you. I discovered that when you ask Chat to generate a full-length YouTube script or blog post in one go, you don't get that long of content. However, if you break it up and ask ChatGPT to generate 2 specific sections or expand on specific sections of the initial content, you're able to get much more. When you've finished extending your YouTube script and are satisfied with it overall, duplicate that script and go to Microsoft Azure. For the voice, there is a free option and the paid one, so the paid one is murph.ai. It will provide a human-like voiceover, and it is cheap and good. If you want to go with this option, you can. But for the example purpose, I will go with the free one, that is Microsoft Azure. They also have good voiceover, so just paste your script, create the voiceover, and now head to the editing process. Once your voiceover is completed, download it and head over to Pictory for the editing. The tool we'll be using to turn our script into a video is called Pictory, and in my opinion, it's one of the best script-to-video tools you can use. If you want to try it out, there's a link in the description for a free trial of Pictory. Once you're on Pictory, there are a few ways you can turn your content into videos. For this example, we'll be using the script to video template. To get started, click Proceed and enter the name of your video. Next, paste the entire script for your YouTube video here. I've already entered the script onto a Google Doc, so I'm going to copy this over and paste it under Pictory. You can add articles to videos, edit your videos using text, or add visuals to a video. Once you've pasted your script, you can then move on to the next step. This will display the number of characters and allow us to perform a spell check. The following step is choosing your video style. There are many different types of video styles available on Pictory. Like animated live action, whiteboard, and animation, you may fully personalize the appearance and feel of your movie to reflect your brand and aesthetic by choosing the animated style picture for this example. You can then move on to the next step, which is adding music and sound effects to your video. After you've added your music and sound effects, you can preview your video and make any necessary adjustments before exporting it. Pictory has a library of royalty-free music and sound effects from which you can choose, but if you have your music or sound effects that you'd like to use, you can also upload them. Once your video has been exported, you may submit it to YouTube or another video platform of your choice. Exporting your video is a simple process. To increase productivity and profits, YouTube video creation and posting must be automated. You may optimize your workflow and create valuable time to concentrate on other crucial duties by using the appropriate tools and approaches. Automating the process can have a big influence on your bottom line, whether it's employing software to automate monotonous chores or utilizing AI to produce high-quality content. Automation lowers the possibility of human error, ensures consistency and high-quality material, and allows you to scale your operations for optimal profit. You can use Fiverr or Upwork for hiring freelancers for the job, so just reinvest your profits in this channel. If you're interested in unlocking the full potential of YouTube automation, be sure to check out the link in description. Last conversation, whether you're a solitary entrepreneur or working with a bigger team, GPT is a great tool for writing captivating scripts for YouTube videos and other content, and with Pictory, turning your screenplay into a video is a breeze. Give Pictory a try and discover how it can help you create more engaging and professional videos for your channel. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more information. Pictory can save you a lot of time and work when making high-quality films for your YouTube channel.